Good morning everyone. In today's lecture, I will discuss next topic of discrete mathematics. The topic is logical implication. The topic is logical implication. So here is the definition of logical implication. A proposition P is said to logically imply a proposition Q written as P, symbol of logical implication Q, if Q is true whenever P is true. It is the same condition as of argument. Here we will check the conclusion Q in truth table. We will check whenever P means the symbol or propositions before logical implication symbol are true. Similarly, we will check the conclusion which is given after the sign of logical implication. We will check if premises are true, as we used to do in argument. We will check if P is true. Similarly, we will check conclusion is also true in the similar rows. If yes, it is logically implies. It logically implies. Here is the question. Check P logically imply P or Q. So first we will make the truth table. Here P comma Q are two propositions. So there will be number of rows is equal to 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power n, 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. So here is the truth table. We will make P, Q, P or Q. Then we will check the condition. Here we will check P. It is given before symbol P, and afterwards conclusion is P or Q. So we will check P is it's true in row 1, row 2. Similarly, we will check P or Q is also true in row 1 and row 2. As condition satisfies, so we can say yes, it logically implies Q, because in truth table P is true in row 1, row 2. Similarly, conclusion P or Q is also true in these rows. So this concept is similar as of arguments. In argument also we used to check premises and conclusion. Similarly, in this we will also check the condition before implies symbol and after conclusion. Now there are some mixed numericals based on previous topics. Write in symbolic form given P, food is good, Q, service is good, R, restaurant is 5-star. It is given in the question, and the given statements are for which you have to write symbolic form. Food is good or the service is good or both. Either food is good or service is good but not both. Food is good while the service is poor. It is not the case that both food is good and rating is 5-star. If both the food and service are good, then the rating will be 5-star. It is not true that 5-star rating always means good food and good service. So the first is food is good or service is good. Here we can say we have taken P, food is good, Q, service is good. So answer will be P or Q or both. It also simplify both. So there is no need to add extra symbol for both, because food is good or service is good, it means both are good. So answer will be P or Q. Similarly, next, either food is good or service is good but not both. It means we can show either P, not P, or Q or not P, because any one of them are true but not both. So it is the condition of XOR. I had taught you XOR. The symbol for XOR is P circle plus Q. Whenever one is true, other is false, it is the condition of XOR. So you can write the answer not P or Q, or P or not Q, or P XOR Q. Next, food is good while service is poor. While here stands for but. So as I told you, for but use AND operator. So answer will be P and service is poor. It is the opposite of Q. In Q, service is good, so service is poor means service is not good. So answer will be not Q. So the complete answer will be P and not Q. Next, it is not the case. In any question, if it is written, it is not the case, it is not true, it is false, then we will make not before the bracket, and in bracket we will write food is good, rating is 5-star. P rating is given in R. So answer will be not before bracket, and in bracket answer will be P and R. Next, if food if both the food and service are good. Here if is written, then the rating will be 5 star. So as we know, in if then conditions we will use conditional operator. So both food and service are good, we'll use P Q. So answer will be P and Q in bracket implies, because if then is given, so answer will be P and Q implies R. Next, it is not true. Again it is not true, then we will use negative, means not before bracket. Afterwards 5 star rating, 5 star rating is R. It is not true that 5 star rating always means good food and good service. It is the case here, we can identify it is the case here. So for every case, if one condition is given, we will use conditional operator. So answer will be not before the bracket, and in the bracket R implies 5 star rating is always means good food. Good food is given in P, service is in Q. So answer will be not before bracket, and in bracket R implies P and Q. So these are the symbolic form questions, or we can say mixed questions based on concepts which I had taught you till now. Okay class, thank you.